Yes, welcome to another day, another trading day, and today it's a trading recap of today's trading, and we'll go through some trades that I took. I did take 3 trades this day, 2 on Euro and 1 on USD CAD. So let's go through them. So let's start with the Euro USD. The first trade that I took, that was a loss. I did not take this trade. So this was a trade that I took, first one, which was this Euro USD long position, and the theory behind it was that we had swept Asian low. So this is the opening, true opening. We coming down, we took out that Asian low. We made a shift in market structure, right? We left a busy. And the theory was that we didn't do any higher highs, right? So we left this high. So this high comes at 587. This high comes at 587. You can see it here on the H, which stands for the high, right? So 587, 587, and this is the Asian high that comes at 587. So we did have some buy-side liquidity resetting up here. So once we took out that Asian low, we made a shift in market structure, and we left this high intact. I took it as, okay, price should now come back to a discount from this low to that high, and we should target this equal highs, and which was quite a simple trade in theory. So the buy limit was at the equilibrium of this range, and we did have the low at around this area. And we can see that price did not respect it. We just blow right through. We made a shift in market structure. And once I understood that, okay, now, since we did not respect this low and made a shift in market structure, I knew that price is ready to attack some sell-side liquidity. Not that I knew, but often that's what happens when we don't respect this kind of lows. We know that, okay, the price will do the opposite thing. So what I did was I used this bullish fair value gap as an inverse fair value gap. I took the short at the equilibrium. As you can see, I had stop loss at this high, six lots, and then the target was at 300. Why at 300? Because honestly, the truth is I didn't know what we would do. So because we did have some, I will show you. I will try to go down. So the first TP was once we took out these lows, these 2 lows, right? And then we came back down, and then the final TP was at 300. Why I wasn't quite sure what we would do is because we did have this previous daily low, and the truth is that we could even, I didn't know, so it's better to be safe than sorry. I did take this trade 1-363. So that's basically it. So I did win this one. I did lose this first trade, and I won this second trade. And as you can see, from there, I did have a small position. Then I put it on the break even and then we can see the price reversed once we return to this H4 bullish order block, right? And all of this is, the thing is that this was, if you look at the weekly analysis that I put, this was the trading plan, but I thought that we would first come up to this H1 SIBI, which was the whole plan with the first buy that I wanted to. You can see that I expect the price to come up to the SIBI, to come down, and then push up. And that was also the thought process from the original plan, that we would respect the BISI, come back down, attack this H1 SIBI, and then from there get some kind of reaction down here, and then I would long here. But since we did the opposite thing, I wasn't in phase with what price wanted to do, so I took the safe bullets. But a blue day is a blue day. GU, I did put a yellow ribbon on it because I could not read what it wanted to do, but we can see that GU did take out that previous daily low, fill this H1 BISI, and yeah, exploded. Now that the dreams, not the dream snare, but if this highs would be intact until tomorrow's London, that would be a good reason to take some long positions to attack some buy side liquidity. But let's see what price does. So yeah, GU, nothing crazy there. Did not take any trade, but the second or the third trade I took for the day was the USD CAD trade, and I got a sniper entry. This was the levels that I put. You can see all of this in the weekly analysis. This is the H4 opening. We have this H1 bearish order block. So long short position, stop right above, and yeah, took out that Asian low. We didn't take out all of the lows. We still have some lows down here, but I'm still very bearish on the USD CAD. Let's see and wait what price will do. So yeah, that's the trade. As I said, this was the calls that I made beforehand, and then we have that DXY. And this what's what happened on DXY. I thought that we would go a little bit further up and then get the reaction, but we can see that we got a reaction from this volume imbalance. Yeah, exactly. So I did mark up this volume imbalance, I think on, I think it's, if I do like this, yeah. So here is the volume imbalance. We tapped into it, and then we got a reaction. And as I said, this was our targets. This is the next target, and this is the final target. And once we have come back to this weekly BISI, there's a high chance, very high chance, that we could get a huge bullish reaction. And it's NFP, right, this Friday. So there's a high chance that we'll see some huge DXY bullishness, honestly. But we need to wait to see. We won't force any trades. We'll react to what we see. And yeah, one loss, one win, and one is currently trading in some profits. Let's lock up and we'll see how this turns up. Okay, that's basically it. Nothing too fancy, quite easy going, and yeah, I hope to do these kind of trades, these kind of clips every now and then when I have time. Okay, thank you. I'll see you soon.